Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more of your content of interest on Facebook. So basically how to tell the algorithm that you're interested in a post and you want to see more of it. For example, right now I have this little video opened, and if I want to get more of this into my suggested page, basically in your explore page, your front page on Facebook here, I have to do the following. So just open up the video and then click the three little not lines, sorry, dots right here. Then click show more. So as you can see what it said, you'll see more from this type of media. So click here, show more. You'll see more videos from just influence and watch. That doesn't just mean from the specific user, it just means in general from not only the specific user but the type of video he makes as well. So this is a way to customize your front page. So for example, if I don't want from birthday Irene to see anything, I'll click here and I select show fewer. So this is a way to customize your suggested feed on Facebook. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.